Today we are making 1 pot sausage and baked beans. I'll write the recipe below the video in the description as always. Let's do this!
Oh yeah, baby! Woo! Welcome to Aussie Girl Can Cook. Better get you some. Oh yeah! Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alright, something nice and quick for brekkie, lunch or dinner. For this recipe we're going to need 500 grams of thin beef sausages. We need 1 onion chopped up, some plain flour, some chicken stock, a roughly 440 gram can of baked beans, some tomato paste, roughly a 410 gram can of tomatoes, some freshly chopped parsley and some cracked pepper. So I've already chopped my onion up, so now I'm going to get out my electric fryer today. First thing we want to do is chuck our sausages in. We want to brown them all over really well. Then we want to bring them out and put them on some paper towel. Once we've done that, we now want to chop them in half and then we want to set them aside. Alright, now I'm going to put my pan back on a medium heat. Now if you've got too much oil in there, you can wipe some out, and if you don't have enough, you can add roughly a teaspoon of oil. Now we want to throw our onion in and we want to toss it around until it's cooked and see-through. Now our onion is cooked, we want to add 2 tablespoons of plain flour, and we want to keep tossing it around for 1 minute to cook it. If you have to, add a tiny little bit more oil. Okay, 1 minute later, we now want to add 1 cup of chicken stock, and we want to just stir it around for a minute while it's boiling. Okay, a minute later, we want to turn it down for a minute. We want to add our sausages, our can of baked beans, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, our can of chopped or diced tomatoes, roughly a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley. Now, all we want to do is, on a lower heat, is just keep mixing it around until everything is hot. Once it's all mixed in properly, you can bring it up to a simmer, and then we keep stirring it while it's simmering. I'll do this for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, everything's nice and hot. Turn her off, and she's ready to serve. A little bit of cracked pepper, sprinkle of fresh parsley. Boom. So for brekkie, on a nice thick bit of bakery bread toasted, or with a damper, dinner, you can put them on mashed potato. Serves 4. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a lovely week, and I'll see you all on Thursday. Toodles.